Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get bell pepper in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. The bell pepper is one of the newest seeds recently added to the game. Right now, the main way to get it is through the seed shop. Head over to the shop and talk to Sam. Scroll through the available seeds until you find the bell pepper. Since it's a mythical seed, it may not always be in stock. When it does appear, it's only available for 5 minutes. To increase your chances, stay active in the game and keep notifications or the in-game news tab open so you'll know when it becomes available. The bell pepper seed usually costs around 55,000 shekels, placing it just a few tiers below divine seeds in price. If you see it, make sure to purchase it quickly before it disappears. Another possible method involves using a red fox pet. If you join a public server and another player has a bell pepper plant in their garden, your red fox might steal a seed from them. However, this only works if the other player has the plant actively growing. So that's basically how you can get bell pepper in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.